The main workshop I do is called Rewire Your Brain. Rewire Your Brain is something that I can customize to virtually any realm I want to. I can use it for business, I can use it for relationships, I can use it for addiction. I can use Rewire Your Brain for anything because it's all about neuroplasticity. It's all about the ability of our brain to reform itself. How we use conscious thought to restructure our brain. When you have a brand new thought, when you think of something that you've never thought of before, you create a neural connection. When you create that neural connection, you have changed forever the architecture of your brain. The physical structure of your brain has changed, and you have now sent a cascade of neural messengers, chemical messengers, into your body that tells your body how that new thought feels. And now you are feeling how you were thinking. Your body then turns around and says, you know what? If you want us to continue to feel this way, send more of those chemicals. So your brain obliges and sends more of those chemicals. So now not only are you feeling how you think, but you're also thinking how you feel. And that is that mind-body connection that we hear so much about, that actually allows us to create an entirely new subconscious thought process so that we can replace the thought processes that weren't serving us, those reactive thought processes, those old pre-programmed tapes that keep running over and over and over again unless we do something consciously to change them. That's basically what Rewire Your Brain is all about. And obviously you can tell just from the description of it that it applies to every aspect of our lives.